Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to unbox the Banana Pi M4 Berry. So Banana Pi is one of my sponsors, so they sent me this single board computer for free. And if you think that this box has been damaged, well, that's because I removed the address sticker. So let's start the unboxing. Okay. So this is all that's in the box. So I did a little bit of research, and I think it's a competitor for the the Raspberry Pi 3. Nothing else in the box. Okay. So this is a very familiar form factor. So here I have a Raspberry Pi 4 in a flirt case. So you can see that it is the same size. So here we have gigabit Ethernet, 4 times USB 2, not 3. GPIO pins. I think these 4 pins are for a power over Ethernet adapter. But I guess most people will probably use the USB-C port to power it. There's a reset button next to it, full-size HDMI, another user button, 3.5mm headphone jack. This is an infrared receiver. And this is the Allwinner H618 SoC. There's an eMMC on the board, and if I'm correct, that's 2 gigabytes of memory, and it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And here there's a small connector for a antenna, and think that's the same connector that I have for my Rock 5A, well, not actually the Rock 5A itself, but the wireless module. So on the bottom there is a micro SD slot. Yeah, the Allwinner, it has 4 small cores, so no A72 or 74, 76 class CPU cores, but only the efficiency cores. I think it's A55 if I'm correct. And it has a Mali GPU. So as I said, same form factor as the Raspberry Pi 3. So tomorrow I hope I can buy a Raspberry Pi 3 case, and then I'll try to fit this one in and see if that works. So this was just the unboxing, and hopefully soon I will show you if it fits in the Raspberry Pi 3 case and do a first boot. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.